First, I'm going to talk about a saw. We want a good length saw for cutting out some firewood. This one I chose is an 18-inch blade, fixed blade, nice and long for getting into that wood. Next item is a good fixed length blade knife. This one is a 10-inch blade, so it's great for batoning firewood, getting that wood processed down to find the dry stuff. Next, I have a tub full of cotton balls with various other products. So this is the cotton ball with Vaseline. I also have a couple of discs. They're makeup removal discs that's soaked in paraffin wax. These are also covered with some fatwood shavings, so that adds a little bit more burn time to that cotton ball. Cotton balls average, depending on how much you soak the Vaseline in them, a good 4 to 7 minutes. That cotton makeup removal disc will add about another 10 minutes of burn time to your cotton ball. So it's a great little addition for that fire, especially the cold weather environments or when your firewood is struggling or a little wet. And then I'm going to take my cotton ball and I'm going to pluck it apart. And then when I put it back together, you kind of have this troll hair or wispy fibers of the cotton ball, and that's what's going to actually catch those sparks. We also carry a metal match or a ferro rod. This one I chose to replace the hacksaw blade that normally comes with them, and I put a carbide knife sharpener on it, so that way it throws a lot more spark versus that little piece of hacksaw blade that comes with them. I'll then take my metal match and I'll just add a few sparks to the cotton ball, and that catches very quickly. The other item we carry is leather gloves, so you want to make sure you're wearing some hand protection when you're batoning firewood or working with your knife. For myself, I also added a bellows tube, which is just an air tube to blow more oxygen onto your fire. So if you're struggling, this is just a hollowed tube that's telescopic, great for adding a little bit more oxygen when you need to. So all I'm going to do is just blow air in through my straw, and it'll add oxygen to the flame, and that'll increase it, kind of like a blowtorch effect. It's important whenever you take a breath, you want to make sure you don't breathe in through the straw or have the straw down in the heat, so you're not getting that smoke. You want to breathe outside of the straw and then blow. These are the items that we carry in a fire kit for the volunteer search and rescue organization.